Take a ride in the 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.